Hi, welcome to the another problem solving session related to dentistry and general medicine. And here the seventh question is, the daily excretion of urea is 330 to 600 millimoles of urea per day. That is, if you want to express this amount in grams, how to deal with this problem? You have provided the number of millimoles and you have to convert it into grams. For that, we want to know the urea chemical formula. Chemical formula of the urea can be written in various ways. One is CONH2 twice, or you can also write H2N single bond COO single bond NH2. So from that we can calculate molar mass of urea. That is, 1 mole of urea will contain 60 gram. How it is obtained? Just substitute in the looking the formula. H2 means 2 and nitrogen means 14. Carbon is equal to 12. Oxygen is equal to 16. Again 14 plus 2. That is summing to get the value 60 grams. And 60 grams of urea definitely will contain Avogadro number of molecules also, but that is not required here anyway. So 1 millimole of urea, what is 1 millimole of urea? Means 60 divided by 1000 grams of urea, because 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram, and we have 1 mole is equal to 1000 millimole. Therefore, 1 millimole urea is equal to 60 divided by 1000 grams of urea. Therefore, 330 millimole of urea is equal to, just multiply 330, that is 60 multiplied by 330 divided by 100,000 is equal to 19.8 grams of urea. Similarly, 600 millimoles of urea is equal to, how to obtain 600 millimoles of urea? 600 millimoles of urea is equal to 60 times 600 divided by 1000 grams of urea is equal to 36 grams of urea. From this it is clear that 330 to 600 millimoles of urea is excreted, means the person is excreting the 19.8 gram to 19.88 grams to 36 grams of urea per day. Isn't so? It will be 36 grams of urea. So this is not a 19.8, it is 36. So 19.8 gram to 36 grams of urea per day they are excreting. So 36 grams of urea, they are excreting 36 grams of urea per day. Okay, that's the correct answer is, so the excretion is in between 19.8 gram to 36 grams of urea per day. If you find this type of calculations easier and easy to follow, just subscribe and push the bell button so that the coming numerical problems related to this medical stream will be more clear to you, and you can follow that also. Thank you very much. Bye.